Good morning. Anmol Classes welcomes you. In this video, we'll be seeing the CBSE Class 10th Subject Artificial Intelligence. Subject code is 417 Practical Lab. So today we'll be seeing your second experiment. This is we need to write the Python code to calculate simple interest. If the principal amount is 2000, rate of interest is 8 and time is 10, 10 years. So as we are knowing that simple interest is P into R into T by 100, where P is your principal, R is rate and T is time. So for this, if we need to write the Python code, what we'll be doing, I am just copying this code, and as I told you earlier that what we are doing, we are going for online Python compiler. So the advantage of online Python compiler is we don't have to download the Python, so directly we can execute it online. So here I am just copy and paste the code. We'll see the code first and then we'll try to execute it. Here I have pasted the code. First, P is equal to 2000, T is equal to 100, R is equal to 8, SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. Hash calculate simple interest. Print double quote simple interest is double quote comma SI. So if you are seeing this code, directly the value of P we have entered, the value of time we have entered, the value of rate we have entered. We have written the formula for your simple interest, that is your simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. Now if we need to calculate the simple interest, here we are entering the print. So as you are knowing that in the print, after this double quote, whatever the content that you are having inside the double quote will be appearing as it is. So here in double quote you are having simple interest is. So in the output we will be getting simple interest is. Followed by here you are having SI. So whatever the value of your SI that will be appearing here will be, you will be getting in the output. So if we are telling P is equal to 2000 means 2000 it is the value that we are entering to the P. P is a variable. So P is the variable that is assigned the numerical value 2000. Similarly, T is the variable that is assigned the value 10. R is the variable that is assigned the value 8. And SI is equal to whatever the value that you are having in P, whatever the value you are having in T, whatever the value you are having in R will be substituted here and it will be calculated and it will be stored in your SI. That value that is stored in SI will be appearing here. So let us run this program. So when I am running this, you are seeing that simple interest is, it is, as you are seeing that it is in double quote, it is appearing as it is. And this number that is 1600, this you are getting as this number is stored in the variable SI. Okay, so in this way we have calculated the simple interest. Here by changing the values of your P, time and rate, you can get the other simple interest accordingly. Thank you.